take a look at the ingredients. So I have about 250 grams of soya bean chunks which I had put in hot water and kept for 10 minutes. So these have become soft like you can see. I have 1 cup of chana dal which I have soaked in water for about 2 to 3 hours. I have 1 chopped onion, 1 Maggi masala packet. If you do not have this, you can also use chicken cube that you get in the market. I have 1 spoonful of jeera powder. I have 2 tej patta. I have 1 big spoon of ginger garlic paste. I have 3 to 4 green chilies chopped. I have 1 onion which I have chopped in like 4 pieces. I have some coriander leaves. I have half a teaspoon of amchur powder, half a teaspoon of pepper powder, and I have 1 spoon of garam masala powder. So let's begin to cook. We'll start by heating a pressure cooker. I'm adding some oil, about 1 tablespoon of oil to this. Now we're going to add in all the ingredients. So first I'm adding the chana dal, soya chunks, tej patta, green chilies, the onion that we had chopped in 4 pieces, ginger garlic paste, and our spices. So I'm going to add in jeera powder, garam masala, salt, Maggi masala, we'll mix all these ingredients really well. Three-fourth cup of water. Just add 3/4 cup of water. Don't add much because the soya beans also cooked and the dal has also been soaked for 2 hours. So this much water should be enough. We don't want to make a really liquid form of a thing out of this. I'm going to close the pressure cooker. I'm going to keep it on high flame for 3 minutes and then I'll go ahead and cook it on slow flame for about 7 minutes. Let's check. So I've allowed this to cool by itself. And like you can see, our soya bean and dal both are cooked really well. Now what we are going to do is, I'm going to add in the pepper powder and the dry mango powder, that is the amchur powder. If you don't have amchur powder, you can go ahead and use lemon juice. And I'm going to put the flame on high heat and we are going to roast this for some time on high heat so that all the water that is left in this also in the soya bean or dal will get evaporated because we have to make a firm mixture out of this. So we are going to mix this and roast this. As you can see, half of it is become already like a semi paste. Soya bean and dal both. This will do it for about 2 to 3 minutes so that all the water is dried. Now cool this mixture and then we are going to blend it in a mixer. it out in a mixer. Ensure you cool the mixture completely and then transfer it to the mixer. This way this will also thicken up a little bit and it will help us make proper kebabs. This is how it will look once you've done with the mixer process. So you see this is so thick. This is how you need it. If you think that you have ended up adding a little more water or you've not dried it enough and it looks wet, you can put it in the fridge for an hour or two and then your mixture should be fine. If still not, you can also go ahead and put it on the pan and just mix it for about 2 minutes so that the water dries up. But if you followed the exact measurements, you will not need to do that. So this is done. Let's start making our kebabs now. This is done. We'll start making the kebabs first. We'll get all of them ready and then we'll start frying. So I'm going to take a little oil. I'm going to grease my hand with some oil. Here. Just take a small portion. Form a ball out of this. And press this lightly. Ensure the edges are nice and round, otherwise this will start splitting in oil. If your dough consistencies come very well, then you see. This is how it would look from all sides. I'll show you one more. So take some oil, take a small portion. I'm going to hold this, make it a ball. Press this slightly. Redo the sides of it. And this is done. So I'm going to quickly go ahead and make all of them. Till then what you can do is, I have also shared a link in the description box for a very nice onion salad and mint chutney that we usually serve with kebabs. You can go and have a look at that. These are done. Here. Do not make this really thin. Like I said, it is going to be difficult for you to fry in oil. Then you see how thick this is. Like this, you have to go ahead and make it. Let's try it. We'll begin by heating a pan. Put some oil in it. We are going to shallow fry these. We cannot deep fry this. Do not try deep frying. We will need some good amount of oil, but we are going to shallow fry this. So here I have added about 3 tablespoonfuls of oil. Let this heat. Also one tip, because these kebabs are really soft and like melting in the mouth kind, so do not flip them too many times. You just have to get one side done and then flip it on the other side and you will have to take it off the flame. That will give you better results than flipping over again and again. So don't be in a hurry. Let's start adding these. Let's add in carefully. Also don't be in a hurry to add too many pieces at once. And on medium flame to slow flame, we will have this cooked nicely from one side till it becomes like golden brown. Cook this on slow flame for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now I'm going to make the flame medium and have these nicely fried on that side. So you also put the flame on medium for a minute, slow the flame again, and now we are going to flip this. We'll quickly flip all of them. There you go. We're going to add some more oil for the other side. You can also fry these in ghee if you want. That will enhance the flavor even much better. You may have a little difficulty flipping them over because, as you guys know, kebabs are really soft. That melts in your mouth, and that's why you're going to have a little struggle. Be careful while flipping them. the easiest idea is to use a spoon along with the thing to flip it. If you're finding it really difficult to flip them, then you can also, there's an option of adding breadcrumbs to the mixture when after blending it, so that it becomes firm, and then you wouldn't have a problem flipping, but then that will not be as soft as it to melt in your mouth. So try and avoid using breadcrumbs here. These are done from both sides. Let's plate it.